In this video, we are going to see how you can use MySQL server in order to import data within Power BI. So first thing first, you need to have Power BI installed on your computer, which is somehow only through Microsoft Windows for reliability purposes. Once Microsoft Power BI is launched, you're going to use the MySQL server connector. Does not come by default. You will need some additional components. So in fact, Microsoft will give you the documentation to follow in order to install the additional Microsoft component from Oracle so that you can start to import data. Then you can click over here. You will need to select the MySQL database, and then you can click over here on connect. Once you do so, you will be prompted with this given window. Over here, what you need is the URL of your server, and you need to allow the remote access. So this is something I'm not going to show in this video because it's kind of technical. In my case, the server location is this given domain name. Then you need to indicate your database. So in my case, that's how I named my database. And then over here, that's the most important part. This is where you need to add your SQL statement. Okay, so if you are not using any SQL statement over here, according to me, you cannot do it afterward, which will be problematic. So better to put it straight away over here. And then what you need to know, of course, is the right syntax to enter over here. So here the best thing is to look at the official Matomo documentation. Then you copy and paste this SQL query directly within phpMyAdmin for test purposes. In my case, I just needed to change the ID site over here and the date in order to make it work. And then you get your query. So here you see that the result is working fine within phpMyAdmin, so there's no reason why it shouldn't work in Power BI. Here in my case, I was interested in getting a report showing the page URL and the number of times the given page URL has been viewed. And then I can go within Power BI and paste my query over here. Then I click on OK. In my case, I already gave several times my credential, because you need to give your credential, login and password, in order to connect to the database. Here in my case, I'm pressing OK, and normally what's going to happen is like it's going to make the request, okay, exactly like I wanted, and then I can load it, and as a result, I'm going to get my report added within Power BI. So let's see how it looks like. As you can see, it's quite long, even though there's not much data. And as you can see now, I'm getting page URL dimension, and I'm getting as well the number of hits. And of course, after I can change all of this in order to get, for example, a table report, if that's my wish.